andito na naman po tayo. At saka yung mga nakakaalala po ng part 1 and part 2, sa mga hindi pa nakapanood sa inyo, ilalagay po namin yung link description below. Paki-check na lang po. At saka, sunod-sunod naman yan eh. Pang part 3 ito. Makikita nyo naman doon dahil nakalagay mismo po sa title. V31, V32. Nasa title siya mismo. Oo. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo. Ayan, mag-i-intro muna tayo. Papasukin na natin ang ating intro! Ayan mga mamshi, ito pakikita ko sa inyo. Ito yung trailer ng 1 and 2, no? Ayan, i-watch natin. Ayan na siya. Ayan. Ayan, mga mamshi, mga beshi, bukas babalik na kami sa Tibar. Naglaban na rin si Inday. Back to school na kasi. Late na kami nag sa vacation. Summer vacation. Pero at least nakahabol pa rin, no? Eto, hindi nga ako makapag-vlog ng maayos kasi kasama ko yung mga hipag ko. Alam mo naman, ayaw nila ng social media. Kaya hindi ako makapag-vlog ng maayos. Pero at least nakakuha pa rin ako kahit paano. Abangan natin yan. I-upload ko to soon as possible. Kasi wala akong wifi. Nasa bahay lang yung wifi. Thank you. This is our lunch. This is what? Eating bambalone. It's hot. One more extra for me. I put one more. Oh, thank you. Mariam and Hannah, they will go to buy ice cream. Walking around Cornish while eating bambaluna.
A few moments later.
Why? What happened? Because you're trying to touch her baby.
I think I'm gonna touch his baby. I wanna like him.
He scratch you?
No, nothing, just small. It's nothing that's happened to me, huh?
I give them food today. I will give this, I will give them this another.
The mother's English.
I will pick up this I give to the baby cat. I will pick up and I will give it to you.
Mom,
Ah.
just be careful from the mother. The mother's strong. She has so much power. Slowly.
Wait, I will give this. Wait.
What about mother? Look, see, now she's gonna be happy, not? Now she's gonna leave me out.
She thinks you're going to bring her baby. That's why she's angry.
Yes. Look at
I will
it.
give them more.
Look, the mom is there. I'm so scared of the mom. Look, if the mom should go, we can come back down to take one cat, okay? Because I think the mom should have the white.
But
Look,
give them food.
look,
Huh?
give the mother, mom. Don't let the baby keep eating. Give the mother.
He let his baby eat.
Look, look at him, the mother. Look, he will finish it. Oh, then the other cute. Look, the mother.
Don't catch them. Because the mother is angry. Don't catch.
I think he just jumped down because he think he trying to save his cats. Look, I think now he's happy. He's happy now. This mother, she has so much babies. 2 babies same, 3 babies same. 3 white, 2 white.
Oh, it's so cute. They are cute.
Look, their mother even look. Their mother, if she can just slap them. Look, if their mother grow, if their girls, if their babies grow up, one of their babies grow up, and then like this, when the girl, the big one.
Early the next morning.
Eating breakfast here. Along Corniche. Hello.
Show the dog.
Oh my God.
سلم علي ما قالك سلم علي مش يسلم علي هاتك صاير
Take Aisha a picture for her.
Mariam, hi. What is that? Lion. Dog. You're not afraid? Okay. Okay.
Hi, Mariam. نهارك زين.
Here, because the first one we win, it's closed.
Okay, شوي لك السيرفيس نتاعهم وين السيرفيس
hours later.
So, ayan na nga, tapos na kami mag-ikot-ikot. Katapos namin mag-ikot-ikot, umuwi na kami at kinarga na namin yung mga gamit namin sa sasakyan. Nag-ikot-ikot lang naman kami para pampalipas ng oras. Dahil kagabi, yung mga damit namin, naka-impake na, nag-impake na kami. So, ngayon magkakarga na lang kami para pupunta na kami sa Tunis. Doon kami muna sa friend ng hipag ko. Kasi dumating din siya galing Kuwait. So, in-invite niya kami mag-lunch muna bago kami umuwi sa Atibar. Yes. So, yung mga sunod na nangyari, hindi ko na na-i-video dahil syempre, ano nga sila sa social media, wala silang mga social media. Respeto na rin, di ba? So, ito na lang yung nangyari. Kumain na kami ng lunch sa bahay nila. After nun, nung lunch, umuwi na rin kami. So, pagod na kami, kaya hindi na rin ako nakapag-video habang nasa road kami. Yes. So, ito na yun, no? Ayan na yung lunch namin. Ayan. Our lunch at Hana friend house. Ayan, maraming salamat sa patuloy niyong pagsubaybay sa mga videos namin. Kung wala kayo, wala ring saysay ang mga upload namin. Kaibigan, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, kung gusto mo pang masubaybayan ang buhay ng Pilipina nakatira dito sa Tunisia, paki-hit ng subscribe, yes, itong subscribe button, at paki-hit na rin yung notification bell sa tabi niya, put all, para ma-update ka sa upcoming nating video. Ayan, maraming salamat hanggang sa susunod nating pagkikita.